Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review the Stoat app. Stoat is a modern community chat app designed as a clean and privacy-focused alternative to Discord. It offers well-organized text channels where you can attach images, mention users, and share websites links easily. The platform focuses on doing the basics right while keeping everything simple and modern. On the official website, Stoat highlights community building with fine-grained permissions, moderation tools, and bot support for extra functionality. You can customize how Stoat looks, making it match your personal style or brand identity. One of its biggest selling points is that it's completely free and open source. Stoat also emphasizes privacy and security. The website clearly states that there are no ads and no trackers, and it respects user data. It is made in Europe and follows strict privacy regulations, which may appeal to users who care about data protection and transparency. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Stoat has simple and clean interface that is easy to use. Voice and video rooms are placed front and center for quick live chats. It is also great for small, focused communities with less noise and more niche-friendly interaction. On the downside, Stoat has fewer features than Discord and offers less customization overall. Bot and automation support is limited, meaning fewer advanced tools. It also has a smaller user base, which makes it less ideal for very large public servers. Overall, if you want a simple, privacy-focused community app with a clean design and easy voice chat access, Stoat is a strong choice in 2026. However, if you need advanced features, deep customization, and access to a massive global community, Discord may still be the better option for you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.